It is extremely important to choose the correct doctor when you are considering dental implants, and here are 3 reasons why. Reason number 1 for choosing the correct doctor for your dental implant treatment is rework. So by that I mean, is it going to be done right the first time? Because if it's not and it has to be redone, that is more time, money, and also surgery to have it redone. So when you're choosing somebody, make sure that they are going to stand behind what they're doing that first time and that it's done correctly. Some of the problems that it can create by having the wrong doctor for your surgery for placing dental implants and restoring dental implants is you may not get what you think you are getting. You want to make sure that that doctor is going with a plan that you have talked with them through, and you know exactly from start to finish what that plan's going to be and what type of restoration you're getting at the end, and if that's going to be the restoration that is going to last the way you are expecting it and to look the way you are expecting it. Lastly, you want to make sure you're choosing the right doctor for your dental implant treatment, because you need to look and make sure that that person is reputable, make sure that person has experience, and make sure that they are going to really listen to what you want, and make sure that they are going to go through with that, and that they are going to guarantee that they are going to get you what you want. And in the end, if you're not getting what you want, you may end up paying much more for it, because you may end up having to go somewhere else and redo the work, which is going to be much more expensive than doing it right the first time.